Hi everyone, welcome to Senior Inter Students and Cbse Ncert plus 2 syllabus intermediate 2B integration chapter. I am discussing in the trigonometric functions. In integration part, trigonometric functions how to use in the integration part. Already I explained the 6 formulas in trigonometric integral formulas. This one we have to read and write in your notebook, and a memory, and how to use these formulas. For example, they can evaluate integral 1 by 1 plus sin x. Already learned this is not a formula, for any form is not there, so we have to rationalize this one. Already you know 1 plus sin x, 1 minus sin x by 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x into dx. Okay, this becomes a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, that is equal to 1 minus sin x by, this is a plus b into a minus b, 1 minus sin square x into dx. Okay, this becomes 1 minus sin x by 1 minus sin square x means cos square x. You have to write here cos square x into dx. Okay, so this is the rationalizing part. We have to simplify it already. Next again, so resolve into 1 by cos square x into dx minus sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x into dx. Okay, so this one becomes 1 minus 1 by cos square means integral secant square x into dx, plus this one sin x by cos x means tan x, 1 by cos x means secant x into tan x into dx. This is the, after evaluate on the, like you have to convert into the formulas model. Integral secant square x dx is equal to what here? Tan x. You write here tan x, plus again integral secant x into tan x is equal to what? Secant x. Secant x. Then after complete of the problem, you must write constant value c. So this is the integration value is equal to tan x plus secant x plus c. Okay, students, you have to memorize all formulas, algebra formulas and trigonometric formulas. Okay, then you have to use it. Then integration formulas. Already I explained in the previous video algebraic formula, 3 formulas. One is the integral x to the power of n into dx, integral log x, integral 1 by x is equal to log x, integral a power x into dx is equal to what? A power x by log a plus c. Already I explained in the previous video. Now we have to practice this sum. Trigonometric formulas తో ఇంటరాక్ట్ అయ్యేటటువంటి ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఫార్ములాస్ లో మనం ఎలా ఉపయోగించాలి అంటే, ముందుగా ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ మనకి 6 ట్రిగనోమెట్రీ ఫంక్షన్స్, ఈ 6 ఫంక్షన్స్ కి ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఫంక్షన్స్ వాల్యూ ఇవి a ప్లస్ బి హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఎలాగో ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ లో వాల్యూస్ ఇలా నేర్చుకుందాం. దీని ఒక ప్రాబ్లం ఇచ్చినప్పుడు రేషనలైజింగ్ చేసి లాస్ట్ లో ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ యూజ్ చేస్తే ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. కాపీ ఇట్. ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. So here, here minus you write here. I wrote plus minus tan x minus secant x. Tan x minus secant x plus c. So here minus I forgot. You have to copy it. Next problem I will go. Sin x by 1 plus sin x, sin x by 1 plus sin x. So this one also you have to rationalize. Integral sin x by 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x by 1 minus sin x into dx. This one sin x into 1 sin x into sin x minus sin square x by a plus b into a minus b. Ante 1 minus sin square x integral sin x by minus sin square x by, what is the formula of 1 minus sin square x? Cos square x. You have to write here cos square x into dx. Okay. Then you have to separate the values. Here sin x by cos square x means cos x into cos x. You have to write like this. Minus sin square x by cos square x. So dx, here you have to write integral dx. Then sin x by cos x means tan x. 1 by cos x means secant x. So secant x into tan x into dx minus this one sin square by cos square means what? Tan square x. Tan square x into dx. There is no formula in a tan square x. So you have to resolve it. This one also. This is, we are right again, secant x into tan x minus this one is the secant square x minus 1. So integral secant square x into dx minus dx. So now you have to get the formula secant x into tan x. Secant square x is equal to tan x. Integral dx means x plus c. This is the answer. Okay, I can explain next now. I will explain again. Listen, sin x by 1 plus sin x. So the denominator 1 plus sin x, you have to multiply the negative symbol. And 1 minus sin x multiply and divide. This one you have to multiply this one, these two get. This one is the a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. Separate the values and you will get like this. These we have to, this is the final answer. Write it. Okay. Next one. Simple problem. 1 by sin square x cos square x into dx. Don't confuse it. Already you know the formula. What is the 1? Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Integral sin square x plus cos square x by sin square x cos square x into dx. So you have to separate here. Sin square x by sin square x into cos square x into dx plus cos square x by sin square x cos square x integral dx. Here sin square x and sin square x is cancelled. Remaining value 1 by cos square x into dx. Again here cos square and cos square cancel. This one is becomes cosecant square. Sorry, right here first one time. 1 by sin square x into dx. This becomes 1 by cos square means the reciprocal secant square x into dx. Here, this one is the cosecant square x into dx. Okay, you know the what is the secant square x? Tan x. Right here tan x plus here what is the cosecant square x? Minus cot x. This one becomes minus cot x plus c over the problem. Write down. Okay, everybody write the notes and observe the you have to observe the textbook and practice the more problems. First I will give the secant x into integral secant x into tan x plus secant x into dx. Simple problem. Secant x into tan x integral secant x into tan x into dx plus secant x into secant integral secant square x into dx. Okay. What is the secant x into tan x formula is there? Secant x, right? Secant x. What is the secant square x into tan x? Problem is over. Okay, short answer. Next one. Tan x by integral tan x by secant x plus tan x into dx. Simple problem, short answers. When like this you have to rationalizing. So tan x into secant x plus tan x by secant x plus tan x into secant x, sorry, here write here negative symbol, minus tan x into dx. So this becomes a plus b into a minus b. You know secant square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. So this value goes to 1. Then you have to multiply with secant x into tan x. Secant x into tan x minus tan into tan square x into dx. So again you have to write here secant x into tan x minus tan square means secant square a minus 1. So this one becomes a secant square x minus 1 minus into minus plus dx. Okay. This one is the secant x minus secant square x means minus tan x. This becomes x plus c. Okay. Write down. Integral tan x plus cot x whole square into dx. Tan x plus cot x whole square is equal to, sorry, tan x plus cot x whole square into dx. Simplify this one. How is it a plus b whole square? First we have to resolve tan square x plus cot square x plus 2 tan x cot x into dx. How is it? This is the a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. That is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So I wrote like this. So the first one is the tan square x, no integration formula. Then you have to write this one secant square x minus 1. Then this one also, there is no direct cot square formula. You have to change here this one. At 1 plus cosecant square theta minus 1. This one goes to 1 here plus 2. Okay. Into, sorry, put in bracket into dx. Here you have to operate here minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 is the cancel. So remaining secant square theta into dx plus cosecant square theta into dx. So what is the secant square x? Already formed is there, tan x. What is the cosecant square theta? Minus cot x. You write the minus cot x plus c. Problem is over. Write down. Okay, student, you have to write the completely. Then I will go to another sum. Integral 3 cos x minus 4 by sin square x into dx. Okay. Then you have to resolve this one. This is the 3 cos x by, here is the sin square x, so you have to write sin x into sin x. Sin square x you have to write like this. Next, 4 by sin square x. Put in bracket, write in dx. This one is the 3 is the constant. Take the integral part outside. This one cos by sin means cot x. 1 by sin means cosecant x. You write first cos by sin cot x. This one is the 4 into dx minus 4 into 1 by sin square means cosecant square x into dx. Okay. You know what is the cosecant x into cot x? Minus cosecant x. Minus 3 cosecant x. Cosecant square x means minus cot x. Minus cot x plus c. Okay. You have to write like this also. Minus of 3 cosecant x plus cot x. Put in bracket plus c. Okay. Copy it. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and like it. Remember the students, you must practice the formulas first. Then you have to go to the how to do the problems. Here is the trigonometric functions I will explain in the next video. Some more problems. Thank you for watching. I'm saying once again, thank you.